it was about yesterday we are discuss like how to create React app and also learning about component and creating one page like home page. Okay, and what is JSX, everything we are understanding at last video. Now this in this video we are learning or we are research something uh, like what is props. Component you already know about everything. Component, two types of component in React: class component, function component. And last video we are already created function component. This is function component. Okay, it is you also research about React components like class component and function component. I giving you some information like basic. Function component, it is stateless component. It is help with the help of hook. It is helping state management. Okay, and the class component, it is stateful component. There is no need to any hooks. You can also create as a class and store as a state management. This is the basics difference between about um, function component and class component. Okay, now today we are discuss uh, we are discuss about props. Okay, then first check in Google what is props. What is props in React? Okay, then it is giving definitions and basic definitions like in React. Props is a sort properties. They are a fundamental mechanism for passing data from parent component to child component. Yeah, this think terms of argument pass functions, but the concept of React components. Okay, this is basic definition, and my definition is similar. Props is a React.js library, you can say properties, and it is giving the processing data one component to another component. It means like parent component to child component processing data. It's called props. That's it. This is basics. And you also pass as a function anything. You can pass data related props like one component to another component. You want something change processing data like proceed data, then you can use a props. Okay, now we are practically implement this one also. Okay, this is home page. Now I'm creating in component and i um, I will be create one folder. It is props props what to say, props. What is props? At props you can say what props. Props, yes. Okay, now you can create I create one file like props. Yes, props props1 JSX. Okay, then this is extension RFSC. You can say this extension ES6 module. Okay, you can research and also GraphQL. Some extension you need, then you can install. Last video we are already explained function component, but this is a arrow function, because JavaScript everyone know. That's why. Okay, it is giving React components, then props. Then I want to something like that. This is props. Okay, h1 props. Can say this is props. Yes. Then same process follow. Go app.js, import this file, import this from where is what. Okay, then simple install this, connect and you can see your current application. This is props. Okay, h1. If you confused, then I will comment this one and this one also. Then this is prop. Okay, page. Then this is parent component. Okay, and this is child component. It means this is also component and this is another component. I want to pass some data, like how many way you can props data. 2 3 things I know. Otherwise you can research many things. You props data any in different way you can props data. This is the first way. You can just name as a variable what to say, uh, mouse. Yes, this is mouse, and just defined mouse name is Dell. Okay, then simply you can props. There is props, just call props, and you can also console log because you know JavaScript concept. Then props passing, and you can check as a terminal what the output it giving. Props is giving mouse and Dell. Okay, then simply copy this one here, you know, mouse. Then you want to reflect, uh, created one tag like props. What is the mouse? This is mouse name, and you can see this is mouse Dell. Okay, this types of first way. This is the first way you can props data. Another way. Okay, this is first way. Second way, I will be again create more component, or just I'm explain. Maybe confused. Okay, this is first way. Second way. Second way, you can also create a variable. Let props second. You can as a store object file like a name Subham Subham and age is anything like 12 year. 12 year. This copy this object, then again you can pass name of the variable like second props. Okay, then this provide as a value. Then you want to access, simply go there, and just like props again, you can see there is two values because props. Okay, then it's simple. This time you can use what is second props, this one. Just call it, and what is the output you can see. There is something problem because it is object. Then object what you want to values, like object what second object, it mean you want to like age, name. Then you can provide as a name, then it will be giving output. And you know about object selection, this is basic. Okay, everything is basic. This is the second way. You can pass as a object value, and as a global value, whatever. Okay, and you want also like array value, like let array values, then just pass this object, yes, this one, and name is Labham, age. Array first is name, some formatting. Okay, array you can pass as an array value. Also you can say this is data and provide as a value, array value. Then you can access in array. This is first way. Okay, then you also you want to only do not need to props again and again. Then you can use this way. This is I'm comment right now. Okay, and copy this one again. Okay, RFSC. You can remove this react. Okay, this is first way. Then second way, you can just you want to data, then props everything variable name like a mouse. Second is second props, then second props, and third is data. Okay, this is basic. And you also console log. Debugging is very important. Data. Okay, you already check this one, and this one also you want, then just copy and print it and just check. This is name. Okay, you can also say something data, and then better understanding. This is data, array data, and this is okay. I want to print array values. Then how it's print? Simple, define array like this is data map, because this is array, then items whatever you, then index value. This is basics of JavaScript. Then you want to div, then you also need to key. What is key props? We will research again. Okay, then items, I don't have any key, then I will be provide index value. Then what I need to that, like name and age I want to print. Length p items dot name, and you can check it first. It's not coming. Why? I something I not defined. This one. Okay, index item, save it and save it and refresh. There is not, you get output, but why? Just check what is the problem. Array, okay, name you can print as a h, props, maps, data, everything, item, map. Okay, save. Anything is not see why, but output is showing. Okay, then uncomment out this one. This is looking, then some need to class. Right now I'm not installing TypeScript also. TypeScript, sorry, Tailwind CSS. Now style basics color. I need color red. Then we will check. Not coming. Then why? P item age map index object. Okay. Actual problem is you can create this one like a bracket. Then you need to uh, return. That's why. Otherwise you can use this technique. This is also function way. You can then you get output. Okay, this is actually wrong. Okay, this is learning. Everything is learning. Now you need age is okay, name, then you will be get output. Red is not looking very well, then remove the color right now. Okay, this is three way you can pass as a props mouse, and you want to like this one also print, then simple create another components and you can print it. Okay, this is three way like we are learning in this video. First global value props, others global value props, others second way like object then array, and you also uh, exhaust. We are also learning exhaust now. Can I explain exhaust also? Yeah, this is basic prop. You can pass one data to another data like prop dealing. Okay, we also processing data another component like second first done, then we are creating props dealing learning gsx, then rfsc, this is orphan, then prop dealing. I want to prop data in the prop dealing, then you need props, then you can import in this component prop. Where is file? This is prop dealing. Then you want to prop can create this one and create another div and just okay. I'm most time copy paste because of typing. Okay, no worries. Now you want to props processing this one in this area like this one mouse. Okay, mouse. Then because I'm not processing data for hmm, okay, this one this way mouse data you can pass as a mouse and mouse data, you can say data, then simple same process you can access in this two-way as a props as a value, then simple provide as a pay. They also provide, no worries, but okay, mouse data can check del is also coming because it's mean we are learning global value, second types object also provide, array of value also provide, and you can access props. Then after you also created another component, then you provide as a props value, then you get another third component value. It's called prop dealing. Okay, this is the basics. I think you understand, and also you provide as a values, any values like you can get like we are also learning in future next videos after video no future videos you can say uh, exhaust data you can get, then after props we are providing another component, but basic you understanding right now. Let two types of three types of you can data provide right now. Okay, anything many way availables you can provide your data props with the help of props, but you understand basic props right now.